Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to post Imgur links to Reddit. To start the process, open your Imgur application on your mobile device. Now scroll down and select any post from here. Then tap on Share on your bottom right corner. Here tap on Copy Link. Now open your Reddit application. Here tap on Create. Now write something here. Then paste that link in the URL box. After that, tap on Next to post. This is how you can post Imgur links to Reddit. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.